Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be unboxing the SIRUI Vision Prime lenses. I was back on number 3 for their Kickstarter, and I'm so excited to bring this to you. This is my first set of actual Cine Prime lenses. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my first impression, as well as the reason why I decided to pick these lenses up. Let's get into it. Now, before we get started, I do want to let you know that SIRUI doesn't have any clue of me doing this video. They didn't sponsor this at all. I paid full price during their Kickstarter event for these Prime lenses, and my experience with them is because I did one of their earlier Kickstarter campaigns for their first full frame anamorphic lenses. I got the 50mm T2.9 anamorphic lens during the lockdown in 2020. I absolutely love the build quality and the video footage I got with that lens. So with that said, that was what really helped me to know and trust that these lenses are going to be phenomenal. Now I just want a pair of Cine lenses for more of the video and film work that I will be getting into this year and upcoming years. So during this video, I'll just share my first impression. I've never opened this up. I've never tried them out, but I certainly have watched numerous videos about it. So I'm excited to bring my personal impression to all of you. The casing is really nice. Hard case. Ooh, buddy, look at this. So we have manuals and whatnot, stickers. Oh, these are stickers. So we have the 24mm, 35, the 50, and then we also have it in black. I guess it's a white and black version, but there you go. Okay. Put that over here. Warranty card, as you can see right there. So you have the adapters for 3 mounts. You have the Z, the L mount, and RF for your Canon mount for each lens. Here, the 24mm, we got the 35 and the 50mm. And they will be coming out with, I believe it's a 15 or a 20mm and a 75mm is what the next 2 Prime lenses for the Vision Prime set. So I will be getting those 2 as well. Right now, this is what they did. And yeah, I plan to have the entire case full of Vision Prime lenses. Wow, this is in there. Arr. So I want to take out this. Ooh-wee. I got the color I wanted, which was the black. They had the gunmetal. So let's take a look here. Cut that open. Ooh, nice. All metal built. Feels good. Feels smooth. I believe the focus throw is like 280 degrees. That's a long focus throw. Look at that. That's crazy. That's a long focus throw, but that means precision and accuracy. All these lenses are the same exact size. Teeth or the gears are placed exactly the same distance from the rear element and the front element. And the front element is a 67mm filter thread, which means very good pricing for filters if you want some circular polarizers, ND filters, etc. I have a variable ND filter that I'll be using on this. So, and then there you go. Very, very nice. Let me see. Yeah, that's nice. I can see right through it too. Not sure if you can, but very nice. Ooh-wee. T1.4 for all 3 of these lenses. But the build quality is really, really good. Let me see if you guys can really see that. The build quality is really nice. On the 24, it feels good in the hand. Nice. Ooh, the lettering is cool. I like the blue. And it actually, ironically, goes with the case. And the case is like a very hard, that's like polymer plastic, almost like a it's like a Pelican case, travel case. So that's really cool and helpful if you are going to be recording and traveling. Let's open up the other ones. Let's open up the 35. Here we go. These are like air sealed tight. Now, the good thing is if you supported the Kickstarter and got the full set, it was only $1,500 for the full set. So here's the 35. The full set. Right now, you would have to buy them at $18.99, and that's before if any tariffs hit that price. So there could be a good chance. But I got in early. As I said earlier, I was literally the third backer, and I immediately bought the entire set. And I could honestly say, well worth the money. Ooh, I cannot wait to see what I can do with these lenses. Gorgeous build. 35, that's going to probably be one I use the most. Ooh, that's going to be nice. All right, let's take a look at the 50. Cool. And there's that 50. Everybody knows I love a good old 50. Everybody knows I love a good old 50. And there you go for your 50. Very nice. Again, all same size, same filter thread, same distance with the gear. So all you got to do is set up your follow focus just one good time, and you're good to go. I have a wireless focus system by Small Rig that I plan to use with this. So this will be great. And I'm very excited. So there's a T1.4 all the way down to 16. So it feels good, nice and smooth. Again, that focus throw is, woo, it's long. That's what she said. But nonetheless, yeah, that feels good. I'm very, very excited about that. And there you go. Okay. Now, so there we go. We got the 24, the 35, and the 50 mil. So that's that. Let me take apart the Z, since I actually have my Z camera Z6 Mark III rigged up on my Ronin RS3 for a gig. Let me see what it looks like right here. If I open this puppy up. Oh, there we go. So it has a rear lens cap. And then, let me see if I can take this sucker off. There we go. Okay, so I had to unscrew the internal, not the external, the internal screws, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the back of the lens. See if you can see that right there. Then, so I would actually have to unscrew right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4 inside right there. Okay. And then you just simply replace the 2 and you take that out and put this on. And then now you have Z mount, and it says it right there. If you forget, it says it right there on the back, Z mount, L mount, etc. So that's real cool. I'm actually going to unscrew that and try it out, because I for sure don't shoot E mount. We'll put this back for now. And now let's see what's in this. All right. Oh, great. And you know what? This is getting more worth the money by the minute. So they actually provide the tool to change the rear lens element adapter, to change those adapters from E mount to L mount to Z mount, whatever. It actually comes with the screw, so you don't have to buy one. That's fantastic. And it looks like they have a couple extra screws in here as well. They have a couple extra screws right there. Great. Okay, so let's go ahead and change one of these lenses just so you can see what it's like, okay? And there's the unboxing. You can see clearly the build quality of these lenses, also as well as the form factor, very nice and compact. I love all the accessories that come with it. That alone makes this a fantastic buy for $18.99. You have the camera mount adapters for the RF, E, L, and Z mount. That's awesome, as well as the tool itself to change those adapters. Great. And the hard shell case. That is great. It's really like a Pelican quality carrying case. So that's really good, all for $18.99. I don't have an affiliate link, but I will be leaving a link down below for you to check out these lenses for yourself. Now, I decided to pick these lenses up because I've been doing a lot more video work in 2025, as well as I'm in pre-production of a couple of films too. So I figured it's about time that I pick up some lenses that are dedicated cinema lenses for me to use, ones that have teeth for your follow focus and everything else. I think that's really clutch, as well as having a set of lenses so that you only need to set the follow focus once and you could change out your lenses. It makes the workflow so much faster when you have a set of lenses that are all the same size and weight. Tomorrow I'm going to be using my RS3 Pro gimbal, so that means I won't need to keep rebalancing when I use these 3 focal lengths. The other reason why I decided to get these lenses is because, as many of you know, I prefer using Lumix as well as Nikon camera systems. So when I heard that this full set comes with several mounts, I knew immediately this is my time to jump on this deal. Now me, as I mentioned earlier, I picked these up earlier during the Kickstarter event. That was a fantastic buy. It saved me about $300, but still for $18.99 for a set of lenses, the 24, 35, and 50 mil. If you want to check out these lenses for yourself, click the link down below. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, please subscribe, hit the bell to get notifications of my upcoming content. Until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.